Are you ready for a quick switch up in your kitchen? I'm Melody from WTI. Adding a touch of class to your kitchen is so easy and it doesn't need to break the bank, especially when you're grabbing one of these paper towel holders from HUFEEOH. This is made out of a durable stainless steel in the gold color, which I absolutely love, and right now is so modern. You can choose to hang this in different positions, and it gives you the option of either screwing it into something or the adhesive. I chose the adhesive because I didn't want any holes in my cupboards, but it's super easy to install. You just make sure you put it on any kind of clean, flat, and solid surface, and it's super sticky, so make sure you put it exactly where you want it, and then soon you're going to be ready to add your paper towel and just to class up your little kitchen corner. This saves space and looks great. The possibilities are endless. When you decide to use this paper towel holder from HUFEEOH, you're going to love it in your kitchen. And that's my point of view.